Welcome viewers to another episode of The Big Leap. We hope all of you are safe and well. It's our pleasure and an honor today to have a very upcoming and enterprising setup to talk about. We have with us Mr. Sheikh Jalani from J2 Wealth and Investments from Chennai. Mr. Jalani has been in the financial distribution space for now almost close to 2 decades. He just started a setup called as J2 Wealth, which is one of the fastest growing setups in Chennai and across India. He's been advising and managing investments for now more than 500 families across the globe into all sorts of financial distribution of debentures, bonds, mutual funds, and so on. So thank you, Mr. Jalani, and welcome to the Mirae Asset's Big Leap.
Yeah.
Thank you for taking out time
Yes,
and being a part of this. I would start with the basic question: is that how did you start your mutual fund journey? How did it all began for you?
Thank you so much, and thank you for the invitation, sir. Okay, it's a great initiative by you. I started my career in 2005. I joined as a project trainee in one of the reputed company, Cholamandalam, where I did first project. Project name was Investment Awareness on Mutual Fund. Okay, that time people know mutual fund, but they will not simply invest. Okay, we need to give some guidance, advice, all these things. So that time I have an opportunity to meet some of the customers to understand what they're thinking about the investments, all these things. After completion of my project, I decided I got an opportunity in the same company to do the as a relationship manager.
So when you started as a project manager and you started meeting up clients and talked about mutual funds, everybody talks about that the first initial set of investors is very difficult to acquire. So how did you go about acquiring the first, say, 25, 50 families or investors to engage with you?
Initial journey was that rosy, walk actually. It was very tough, so much of embarrassing moments. Actually, initially when I go, it's a cold calling. It was not work much also. See, I used to go shops, some kind of offices where I will not, I may not get much conversation. What happened after that? I started, there is a kind of FD customers who come for the company for the renewal. Okay, I used to tap those customers and explain about the benefits of mutual fund and how it will be different. See, that is the time the FD rates are coming down little. Some that previously somewhere 20%, 19-18% also people used to get in FDs. When it was 2005 and everything, the interest rate little dropped down 8%, 9%, that kind of situation that time. So mutual funds, the taxation benefit, all these things, slowly I explain I understand the customer requirement, slowly start converted those FD customers. Those FD customers, that time the people who has 1 lakh today become 1 crore. So slowly the base was being improved. Okay, so that is where I converted into that FD customers into mutual fund. Okay, now those customers are with me even now for a period of 17 years. That is the base actually. That is where I started
Sure.
My customer base actually.
To start J2 Wealth, what was the catalyst for you to move from a distribution setup to think that what is the value add you wanted to do in J2 so that you could make a difference to your investors?
What happened normally, see, we used to sell, which is not like some products like insurance kind of products. Okay, so I want to give the best actually, so which is really meaningful, and which I follow some investment strategies where I need to give that. So, and not only that, even in a career wise also I need to grow into the next level. But now I have freedom where I can choose the best to the customer. That is okay, that freedom I have now actually. Yeah,
sure. So as you have been managing such a large number of families and investments, what has worked for you? Has it been referrals, or do you think doing activities is what gets you the fresh set of clients? What has worked for you in the last so many years?
the main thing which will be work for me is the referrals actually. So main was referral. Out of my customer base, 60 to 70% customers was come from referrals only. See, I have a family. Let us take a family member. The same family member, it was three. it is 70 members in a family. Okay, it's like it takes sister, again brother, and the brother, another family. You see, I checked one day, some of my customers where it was come. One family was 70 families actually. One family, the reference. The link went to up to Middle East, UK, Abu Dhabi, so much of customer, the tree. So like that, I have, at least or 30, 40 families like that. See, I know it's it's really, see, I feel proud sometimes because okay, at least so people are happy now because then only they will refer to me. I have one family tree, it's 70 plus actually. It went to across the globe. Wherever the family members are there, it went to across the world actually. So that is where the reference will be the the main actually. For me, the growth was started because of the customers and their reference here.
So such a diverse set of clients, and everybody would be at a different requirement for in their financial growth and journey in life. How do you find managing investments and doing asset allocation for such a diverse set of people?
I follow some investment strategies based on their risk appetite. Okay, I have I will diversify investments into all investment categories. We do mutual fund, stock market, bond, debenture, all these things. Okay, and also the first step I make understand the customers. Okay, and also and I about before itself I will guide the customers. Okay, stick into their investment objectives. Actually they have some investment objectives. Okay, we make understand that. See what happened, sometimes okay, some corona kind of situation, what happened, they might some customers want to take back their investments actually because of the fear of the greedy, all these things. Okay, very few my see what happened, see out of 100 customers, if I have 99%, I will not allow to take it because I will see they have some investment objective. They look for 5 years or 10 years horizon. Immediately because of this kind of uncertain kind of situation, people want to cut their objective and again go into some other objective. See that I will strictly follow in that area and guide them in proper way. So make sure that they are sticking to their objective. Okay.
2020 was an eventful year for all of us when it came to investments. What was your experience, and what are the learnings from 20 which you are going to implement from 2021 post COVID times?
The digitalization, which is really helped me actually. Okay, my productivity productivity has been improved more than 3 folds. Okay, I used to meet 5 customers a day, but actually directly or indirectly today I'm meeting more than 20 customers, and we're also aiming at least to service at least 1,500 families in a ongoing in 2021 this financial year. We'll see how it will go. Yeah.
Sure. So I'll just introduce my colleague Sundar Raj here. Sundar is from our Chennai office managing the J2 relationship. So Sundar, if you could share your experience of working with Mr. Jalani and J2 Wealth.
We are very happy to be a part of the thing here, sir. With regard to Jalani, sir, is a very professional and very aggressive and good person. He is very client-centric person, always focus on the client's growth apart from his growth. The big strength is he has a young and strong team, which is also one of the reasons for his success. He has grown huge in the MF industry in a very short span of time. He is one of the inspiration to our new entrants in the MFD industry. It's really a pleasure and privilege to work with him. I always wish him success journey has to be continued for him and his client.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sundar.
Thank you, sir.
So, Mr. Jalani, my last question to you is, what would your advice be to other fellow MFDs and people who are looking at this as a profession for the future?
Only 4% only we've been actually captured. There is a plenty of opportunity, plenty of advisor has to come, and only thing is they should keep update themselves and get adapt the new technology. Okay, there is a huge competition, but still because now people see, earlier those days we need to convince the customer. Now people know what is mutual fund, what is stock market, everyone know that actually. People who are coming, I fully advise to come into this, and this will rock in future, this industry. Yeah.
So thank you so much, Mr. Jalani, for your time,
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
your thoughts. We wish you and
Yeah.
J2 well, all
Yeah.
the success in the future, and for our association with you. And thank you, viewers, for watching another episode of The Big Leap. And do take care, and we will bring more such stories again in the future. Till then, bye bye, and thank you
Thank
once
you.
again.
Thank you, sir.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.